We're going to continue with just a couple of jigs, but before we do that, we're just going to go a little bit off script to thank somebody very special to everybody who's been in this class and any other class for the last, I don't know how many years, Mossy. But your patience, your dedication, your kindness, and particularly just yourself. Your musical ability is unquestionably brilliant. I think it deserves a round of applause. From a long line of a very big music house, as a lot of people know. So we leave it at that. So we learned the very first song we learned in class was actually from the county of Armagh. It was called the Rollicking Boys of Tandragee, and it boasts of the sport and dancing and I believe frolicking and rollicking, frisky and freedom that they had in this particular village. We won't go into any more detail than that, but we learned it as a tune. It's a lovely jig. It actually comes from 1891, the actual words of the song, from the Tunney family, and Uncle Mick Tunney was the first one that was noted for it. That's also then followed by Carmel Gunning, a well-known Irish composer from Geevagh in Sligo. It's called the Fiddler of Dooney, after Dooney Rock. She's well known for her Sligo style of playing, but also we have Sean Luke Doherty O'Brien here as a relation from the family here. So we'll have the two jigs now. Thanks very much.
Let's go. That's David Knight, everybody. Guitarist, singer, and famed photographer. Beside him on the bodhrán and the octave mandolin, let's hear it for Andy Tyler. On button accordion, John Burke from Knockpicker. On banjos, we've already mentioned Porrick Matthews, Holly Hopper, and Ria Kennedy. On our back row with the Santa hat, it's Tony McLaughlin and Tim Whistle. On the cider with the antlers, Mary-Ann McBrien. Geraldine Rooney is on whistle. And beside her, better known as the drummer with the band, The Flies, it's Sean Luke Doherty O'Brien. From Arigna on whistle and flute. And we didn't get to hear her sing tonight, but we will if you come next March, on the 8th of March. We'll have our charity concert then, and Aoife Dignan will be singing for you then, and it'll be well worth it. That's Aoife Dignan. On fiddles, we have Jenny Coopers. And Lucy Shanahan. And the wonderful fiddler. She does a bit of singing in her spare time. It's Sarah Garden. Here we go. This is the last set from the trad course. We're going to invite up the Bugs and sing together after this to finish out with a few songs. And I might ask, I wonder, is Desi Doyle available to say a few words after this set? Great stuff. So the Rollicking Boys of Tandragee and the Fiddler of Dooney.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ramila Mahavir. Let's have the Bugs back on stage. With the